I have news coming in from Bengal. There's been a big development over what is being seen as a rape and murder of a little child. One person has been taken into custody by the Bengal police over the death of a 10-year-old. Now, it's not the death simply, while the body was found in a canal, dumped in a canal, but the allegations of rape and murder. The 10-year-old allegedly sexually assaulted, tortured in Bengal, then found murdered. Angry locals have gone on rampage. We are told even a police station has been set ablaze by a mob in South 24 Parganas, where the residents have been extremely angry. Vandalism and arson is being reported, scuffle with the police. Suryagini Roy is joining me for the latest on that. Suryagini, you tell us, how is the police ensuring there will be at least some kind of clarity on this case, because it's understandable why the locals will be angry.
Well, as you mentioned, Pooja, yes, there has been one arrest in this particular case. We heard the SP, explaining what had happened in the past 24 hours. Last night, when the complaint had, been registered on this young girl, this minor being missing, a kidnapping case was established because it was a minor. And then in the intervening night of yesterday and today, the police detained one particular individual who had later confessed that he had, he had committed the crime himself, and on that he informed the police where the body was lying. That is how they found the body, and it has been sent for post-mortem. That particular person has been arrested today early in the early hours of the morning. Now, as you mentioned, yes, there was a lot of ruckus earlier in the earlier part of the day, where you had seen angry villagers, arsoning down one particular police outpost in Joynagar, following which a huge deployment of police was rushed to that spot to make sure that the law and order situation doesn't get out of hand. What is more important is that the police, as per them, they are investigating this particular case. So far, one person on whose confession this case was apparently cracked and the body was found, he was arrested. And what is being seen is that he is the main culprit. And till now, there are as per the police sources, there are no other people associated with this particular incident.
This is very concerning, very saddening. A 10-year-old, an innocent child, found dumped in a canal, allegations of rape and murder coming in, and raises a very serious question on law and order, specifically in the state. Suryagini, keep tracking all the latest on that. Now, there's a reason that there's a lot of anger that we see among the locals in South 24 Parganas. The body of a 10-year-old girl found near a riverbank by some villagers. Angry protesters attacked a police station, set on fire for mishandling the case. Now, the allegation is that it is not simply a death that has happened by accident, but of sexual assault and murder. Several officers and personnel of the Bengal police also, we are told, have received injuries over the mob that came charging toward the police station in South 24 Parganas. One suspect has been taken in custody, but there's no clarity about how the investigation is proceeding on it. But it's become a political showdown. This is the turf of Mamata Banerjee as a government. So BJP in opposition has jumped in, saying this is how the situation has been. Law and order is bad. And because the suspect belongs to a certain community, that Mamata Banerjee as a CM is trying to protect him at all cost. And remember, amid all of this was actually a time of festivities for Bengal ahead of Durga Puja celebration. But these are the scenes that we are witnessing.
পরিস্থিতি এখন নিয়ন্ত্রণে আছে। আমাদের এখানে পুরো পুলিশ ফোর্স আছে, পুরো পুলিশ টিম আছে। আমরা পুরো ম্যাটারটা দেখে নিচ্ছি, এখন পরিস্থিতি নিয়ন্ত্রণে আছে। We have taken each and every steps promptly. এরপরে এনাদের যা ক্ষোভ আছে, অভিযোগ আছে, এটা আমরা খতিয়ে দেখছি। কিসের জন্য ক্ষোভ আছে, কেন এটা হলো, এটা আমরা কিন্তু পুরো তদন্ত করে বের করে নেব। মানুষ করেছে, কেন করেছে, এর পিছনে কি মেইন উদ্দেশ্য আছে, এটা আমরা খতিয়ে দেখছি। যারা যারা দোষী আছে আমরা কিন্তু ওদেরকে অ্যারেস্ট করব, রীতিমতো আমরা কেস एक्शन নেব।
इस समय जिस तरीके की घटना जयनगर में एक मासूम के साथ जो घृणित घटना घटी, वो दर्शाता है कि ममता बनर्जी का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है प्रशासन के ऊपर, और प्रशासन पूरी तरीके से पॉलिटिकल हो चुकी है। ममता बनर्जी ने मना किया था कि एफआईआर आप मत करिए, पहले आप छानबीन करिए फिर एफआईआर करिए, क्योंकि एनसीआरबी में डेटा जा रहा था कि बंगाल में रेप और मर्डर की घटना बढ़ रही है। इसलिए परिवार के बोलने के बावजूद, गांव वालों के बोलने के बावजूद पुलिस ने एफआईआर दर्ज नहीं की, मिसिंग डायरी नहीं की।